We will be talking about types, size of pipe. So, pipe. If you can see, this is half-inch pipe, which is being like this and like this. This is half-inch pipe. Why this is 3/4, which is like this, and like this. 3/4 pipe. This one is 1 inch. 1 inch is being like this. This is 2 inches. This way. This one is 3 inches. Why this is 4 inches. This one is 6 inches. This one is 8 inches. Each time it comes to 8 inches, 6 inches, 1 inches, or you will just have to do something like this. But 3/4, half-inch, just like this. You have to understand this. And this one, this pipe you see here, is being used only for supply water. Look at the three one, these three, they are the major ones being used for supply. But most of the times, people also use 2 inches for supply water. But when we hit more on it, you will know more about it. So this is the sizes of pipe we have. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, you can still drop it in the comment section.